Hey guys, so I'm back like I said I would be, and I got that mystery luxury box from the Posh Kings, and I'm about ready to break this baby open. You'll notice that there is a beagle foot back here. You may see a tail wag once in a while, and that chomping sound is the dog chewing on her bone, so please forgive me, but here we go. I'm pretty excited. All I know is that it's supposed to be luxury items. They don't tell you what's in it, hence the mystery box part. Tissue paper. Aww. Oh, isn't that sweet? Nice little thank you note. Aww. Oh my goodness. And a free gift. We love that. Let's see what's in here. Scissors. This would be that moment you really hope you don't cut the merchandise, right? By the way, I love these mailers, and I think they're from You Pack and Ship, which, yes, they are. Smile Mail. Awesome. And tissue. Wrapped up so nice. Let's see, what do we have? Oh, nice. H by Halston. Black long sleeve tee. That is perfect. Thanks, guys. And we got ribbon. You guys know how I feel about ribbon. And I have a helper. This is Lucy. She's a fan of luxury goods as well. Don't worry, no packages or dogs were hurt in the filming of this video. For now. Oh, one more. Oh. What I think I know what this is. You guys know what this is, don't you? Lily. Oh, that's so fun. Look. Little Lily capris. Those are awesome. Perfect. Ooh, this is fun. Nice. Scotta Sport. Little denim. Little pockets on the back are adorable. There's so much stuff in here, you guys. Everything is so nicely packaged. And again, those mailers that are super cute, you can get from You Pack and Ship. It's at You Pack and Ship, by the way. And this is the Posh Kings, at the Posh Kings. Oh, what a fun knit. St. John vest. That is a really pretty green. I can see that in the fall or for Christmas. I'm gonna put this down for a second. There's still more. There's still more, you guys. So much stuff. Oh, Piazza Sempion. I probably am not saying that right, but look at that blazer. Again, perfect autumn color. I love that. So pretty. And the final package, by the way, these you can also get at You Pack and Ship. It says Self-Made Posh Boss on it. Oh, shoes. Gotta love a pair of shoes. Givenchy, you guys. Look how fun. Oh my gosh. Those are so pretty. Well, that is my unboxing of the luxury box from the Posh Kings. Go check out their closet. They have so much amazing stuff. And they're using those You Pack and Ship mailers, which are also awesome. Thank you, Brad and John. You guys are awesome. As always, this is Jenny with Flame and Flair. Have a great day.